Hello everyone! I'm Karen, the presenter of this course. Do you know what an AC servo is? Some of you may have heard the word before, but are not really sure what it means. Some of you may have never even seen or heard this word before. An AC servo is a specialized device that is likely never seen in everyday life. The word servo is derived from the Latin word servus. Servus means to comply with commands faithfully, quickly, and accurately. In the same way, a servo is a device that performs work accurately in accordance with commands. Servos are used to start and stop operation at precise positions, to change speeds extremely quickly, and adjust speeds in accordance with conditions. AC means alternating current power supply. As such, an AC servo controls alternating current motors. The manufacturing industry continues to become increasingly more automated with the implementation of factory automation technologies. Plant processes can be fully automated without the need for human interaction with the use of FA equipment. This reduces costs and improves efficiency, safety, and quality. AC servos in particular are necessary in manufacturing due to their ability to precisely control devices at high speeds. This course will cover the actual role of AC servos and the process by which they control devices. Now let's start learning about AC servos together. This course is divided into 5 major sections. Chapter 1. Fundamentals of AC servos. Chapter 2. Configuration and conceptual operation of AC servos. Chapter 3. AC servo control in more detail. Chapter 4. Usage precautions and maintenance. Chapter 5. Introduction to the Mel Servo J4. Let's start with Chapter 1.